One more thing. Sometimes you can't use the mouse on the assembly line, so it may be worthwhile to learn how to use the function keys. Okay, let's get back to programming. Press F5. A pop-up for Enter symbol will appear. Type X2 and press Enter. If you see Normally Open Contact X2 show up, you have done the first step. Now, second step. Press F6, then enter X0 and hit Enter. You will see Normally Closed X0 next to X2. Next, press F7. Then enter Y0 and press Enter. X0 and Y0 are automatically connected. One more. Press Shift and F5, and then enter Y0 and press Enter. X2 and Y0 contact are now vertically connected. This is the last process. The part we've programmed is now gray. Press F4. The screen becomes white. This operation is called compile. We've only done a few steps, but we've already finished one circuit. How easy is that? If you want to delete a horizontal line, press Ctrl and F9. To delete a vertical line, that's Ctrl and F10. Now that may be too much to remember, but that's perfectly okay. You can always look at the screen to find the proper function key shortcut.